people aren't 100% on board with pansexual. They don't know what it means, and in their brains, either you're gay or you're straight. My parents didn't grasp it, and it was not something that they wanted their daughter to be. I'm Erika, and I'm the communications lead for Sephora Prism, our business employee resource group, and I support all things LGBTQIA+ related. It's important to have a group in our business because it gives us all a sense of belonging, especially anybody who identifies as LGBTQIA+, but also for allies. I identify as pansexual. I define pansexual as just somebody who loves everybody, not necessarily a specific gender. I don't care who you are and what you identify as. If you're a wonderful person, I will love you. I always knew in my heart that I was just open to anything and everything, and I didn't know what type of capacity that really meant. I grew up in Western New York, and the city that I lived in, there weren't a lot of people like me growing up, at least that were out and proud of that. So coming out was very difficult. My parents were not accepting in the beginning at all. That was very tough because I did grow up as a daddy's girl, and my mom, she's my best friend, but it felt different. So I didn't really talk to my parents. I kind of backed away and reverted into my shell a little bit, and that was really difficult. I started Sephora back in 2012 as a part-time cashier. Once I stepped into the Sephora space, that was the moment where I felt the most authentic and the most myself. I always felt like I had to work extra hard to be Erika, but I found out that you don't have to work extra hard when you know you belong somewhere. Everybody feels like family, and I really do feel like we're kind of all cut from the same cloth in a sense. Even though we're all very different, we all still have the same core values. That's where I really fell in love with the company. Shortly after that, there was an open role at corporate headquarters, and I got my dream job. Now, I am unapologetically myself to show other people that you can be who you are, and that is 100% more than okay. When I go back home, my family is very close, and that feels incredible. When I look in the mirror, I see somebody who has overcome a lot. I see somebody who is strong, working on her confidence, and also somebody that has found her place. I can finally be proud of who I am.